Biting into that crispy crust is the soft and creamy potato. Smells so good of curry with succulent chicken and quail eggs. These cute curry pop spring rolls are shaped like money bags. So cute! Let's learn how to make this.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need 150 grams of roasted potato, salt, sugar, chicken stock, 2 teaspoons of curry paste, 50 grams onion and 20 grams of shallots, 100 grams of chicken breast, a few quail eggs, and some spring roll wrappers. Peel the potatoes and cut into small dices. Also dice up the chicken. Next, steam the potatoes and quail eggs for about 8 minutes or until you can easily pierce through the potatoes with a fork. Peel the quail eggs and cut into halves. Finely mince the shallots and dice up the onion. Next, heat the pan on medium-high, add a tablespoon of oil and fry the minced shallots and diced onion until fragrant. When the onion turns translucent, add the curry paste, then add chicken and potato. Season to taste with sugar, salt, and chicken stock powder. Stir well and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Smells so good. Now turn off the heat and leave to cool. To make sure that the wrapper does not tear during the frying, cut a few spring roll wrappers in half. You place one half of the wrapper on top of another piece. Scoop a spoon of the fillings and place in the center and add half of the quail egg. Now gather the rim and make it into a money bag. Use scallion as a string to tie it up. I put the scallion into microwave for about 30 seconds so it's soft and flexible enough to tie. There you have it, so cute little money bags. Now heat vegetable oils until you see bubbles appear around the chopstick. Because the fillings is already cooked, so we only need to make sure that the wrapper is nice and crispy and golden brown. You put the top part of the bag into the oil first and then drop the whole piece in. For the dipping sauce, we will mix a tablespoon of mayonnaise, some yogurt, ketchup, your favorite hot sauce. Mix well and you will have a sweet and sour sauce, very nice and spicy, great accompanied with fried food. Or you can also dip into plum sauce. It tastes so great either way. I wish you success with the recipe and don't forget to click like and share the video with your friends. I will see you then next time. Bye!